Welcome back. This is Chili Devs and back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where I talk about my top stocks. We also talk about cryptocurrency from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. All right, well, today's hottest stock in one of my portfolios is Oklo. Oklo shares were up as much as 8.30% today. So Oklo is a nuclear energy company, and they build reactors. This is like a infrastructure company for data centers. So Oklo shares today were up 8.30%, and that was one of the hottest stocks, moving from a share price of $74 per share up to $79 per share. All right, so let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, my top stock today in my one of my portfolios was Tesla. Tesla shares are up as much as 6.51 for a gain of $987. SoFi shares are up as much as 2% for a gain of 180. Ford shares were up as much as 73, and Apple shares were up as much as 1%. And SoundHound, the AI company, voice activated artificial intelligence, was up as much as 3.56%. So it was a pretty hot day in the market. As I mentioned, Oklo led the way. Also, shares of Circle were up as much as 17%. Okay, Circle Internet Group. Okay, this was a hot IPO this year. They were dragged down the last month over 17%. But in one day, they were up as much as 17%. Okay, so Circle Internet Group, the company has only been out since June 6th. Okay, so the company for the last 6 months is up over 60%. Okay, so let's see the news on Circle. Um, Uh, why did Circle Internet stock jump today? Okay. And again, Circle is one of the cryptocurrency companies that will help facilitate stable coins. But again, Circle shares skyrocketed today over 17%. And now we'll go to the news. Okay, in the news, we have Satya Nadella. Okay, this is the CEO of Microsoft. Okay, he says we will do better. Okay, Nadella admits companies has to rebuild trust with employees. Okay, OpenAI says nonprofit parent will own equity stake in company of over $100 billion. Okay, um, also, Winklevoss brothers founded cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, reportedly priced IPO at $28 per share. Okay, amid strong demand. Okay, so Gemini is going public soon here. We saw Klarna. Okay, Klarna was one of the companies that went public this week. All right, so it's a hot market for IPOs. Like I said, a lot of them have been related to cryptocurrency. Another article right here is most of Elon Musk's fortune now comes from his private companies. Okay, so we know Elon has SpaceX and Starlink and several other ventures. Okay, so he's getting to be one of the richest people in the world again. Okay, with
8 o'clock.
those particular private companies are probably ballooning in value. We just saw Oracle's CEO Ellison. Oracle shares again jumped this week over 29% off news of a good earnings call and guidance going into 2026 with a $190 billion revenue target. Okay. All right, due to AI. All right, so let's take a look at Klarna, how it's doing since its IPO. Klarna stock, okay. It opened yesterday at $49. The Klarna Group. Okay, this is the buy now, pay now, and is down today. Okay, so down 6%. Okay, so it opened up at 47, basically 45, 40, $46 per share, and is trading down now about $42 per share. Okay, so Klarna was one of the IPOs. Again, like I mentioned earlier, Gemini's cryptocurrency platform will go public soon. Okay, so they placed at $28. Klarna, the buy now, pay here, buy now, pay later. Uh, its shares are down 6% on the second day of trading. Okay, all right. So those are the stocks today. Again, uh, it was a great day for Oklo. Oklo shares were up as much as 8%. Also, I did post earlier in the day, so keep up with my post. It was Circle. Circle, as I mentioned, was up today, just as much. SoFi was up. SoundHound was up. Uh, Home Depot was up too. Many stocks were up today. Again, all green. Okay, all green. Tesla up 6%. SoFi up 1%. SoundHound up 3.78%. And Opendoor Technologies was up 87%. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on the next one.